Hi, Foodie Chef Pete, and you know what? We've cooked up some beautiful brew. This is our beautiful chicken stock. Look, and all the chicken pieces have cooked up really nice. We've got all the delicious flavoring, and what I'm doing is taking out all the meat pieces like this, and I'm gonna put them in the bag over here, and everything's cooked really well. And I'm just getting them out of our broth, because what I'm going to do is then I am going to pour the rest of this into the colander over here I have on the right side, and I am going to then let it cool in the bowl before I put it through the fat sifter, which is this device over here. This is the fat machine, I call it, because we pour it in there and then we'll defat most of it. Because you see, a lot of the folks say that this broth with the fat in there is where all the flavor is. I agree. I like to leave a little in of this fat, but I also like to skim a lot more out, okay? Or the Jewish folks call it the Jewish penicillin, okay? All right, so there we have it. All right, so, okay. So what I then do is I take my colander here in my big giant bowl, and I just pour it right in, just like this. All of this beautiful broth, vegetables and all, everything in there, so that the pan gets emptied out. And then all I need to do is take, this is how I do it, but then what I do is I let it drain through into the bowl, just like that. And we have some, because I had took the other pieces out, and this can just go right in here, and we'll just set it out of the way. Now what I'm going to do with this beautiful chicken broth I made is I am going to defat it, and then I'm going to put it in my containers. These are 4-cup containers. I have more, and then that's it. I'm going to also let this cool before I do put it in these containers, because it'll tend to melt it, okay? All right, so that's how simple this is when you go to make your own broth. You can defat it if you like, or you don't have to defat it. That's purely all up to all of your personal ways you like to do things. So this is Peter Carpizos. Thank you so much for bringing us into your homes. We love you all. Watch our playlist, share our videos, tell your friends, come here for the cooking tips that you need to survive in the kitchen. So this is Peter Carpizos, as always, out.